Coriander, Coriandrum sativum, is an annual herb in the Apiaceae family, widely used as a culinary and medicinal plant. It is commonly known as coriander, seeds, and cilantro, leaves, in different parts of the world. In English, it is referred to as coriander, cilantro, or Chinese parsley. In Hindi, it is called dhania, in Tamil, kotmalli, in Telugu, kothimira, in Malayalam, malli, and in Bengali, dhone. The scientific name is Coriandrum sativum, and it belongs to the Apiaceae family, also known as the parsley family. It is native to regions spanning from southern Europe to South Asia. This herbaceous annual plant typically grows to a height of 30 to 60 centimeters, or 1 to 2 feet. The leaves are bright green, feathery, and divided, resembling parsley. The flowers are small, white or pale pink, and grow in umbrella-like clusters. The seeds are round, light brown, and have a citrusy, nutty aroma. Coriander leaves, or cilantro, are used fresh in salads, chutneys, and garnishes. They are commonly added to curries, soups, and stews, and are popular in Mexican, Indian, Thai, and Mediterranean cuisines. The dried seeds are used as a spice, and ground coriander powder is a key ingredient in spice blends like garam masala. Coriander seeds are also used in pickling, soups, and meat rubs, providing a warm, citrusy, slightly sweet flavor. Additionally, coriander roots are used in Thai and Southeast Asian cooking, adding a strong, earthy flavor to broths and curries. In terms of nutritional value, per 100 grams, coriander contains 23 kilocalorie, 3.67 grams of carbohydrates, 2.13 grams of protein, 0.52 grams of fat, 2.8 grams of fiber, 27 milligram of vitamin C, 45% daily value, 6748 IU of vitamin A, 135% DV, 310 mcg of vitamin K, 387% DV, 67 milligrams of calcium, 1.8 milligram of iron, and 26 milligrams of magnesium. Coriander offers several health benefits. It aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and reducing bloating, and it has been used in traditional medicine for indigestion and gas. It is rich in antioxidants, containing quercetin and tocopherols, which help fight inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. Coriander supports heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, as well as reducing high blood pressure. It also regulates blood sugar levels, with coriander seeds found to lower blood sugar, which may help in diabetes management. Additionally, it boosts immunity due to its high vitamin C, A, and K content, and has antimicrobial properties. Coriander is good for skin and hair, with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help with acne and skin irritation, and it is rich in vitamins that promote hair growth. Lastly, it detoxifies the body by helping to remove heavy metals like lead and mercury. In traditional medicine, coriander is used in Ayurveda to treat digestive issues, colds, and inflammation. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is used to balance body heat and improve digestion, while in Unani medicine, it is prescribed for headaches, fever, and urinary disorders. To grow coriander, it prefers cool weather and grows best in temperatures between 17 to 27 degrees Celsius. It thrives in well-drained, loamy soil with organic matter and requires full sun to partial shade. The soil should be kept moist, but overwatering should be avoided. Leaves can be harvested in 3 to 4 weeks, while seeds can be harvested in 2 to 3 months. While coriander is generally safe, there are some side effects and precautions to consider. Allergic reactions are rare but possible, presenting as skin rash or itching. It can lower blood sugar, so it should be used cautiously by diabetics. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, it is safe in food amounts but should be taken in moderation. In conclusion, coriander is a versatile herb with culinary, medicinal, and nutritional benefits. Whether used fresh as cilantro, as a spice from seeds, or for its therapeutic properties, it is a valuable addition to any diet. Would you like more details on any specific aspect?